What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Hey man, excuse me. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all for, you know what I'm saying, hitting that subscribe button, checking me out, stuff like that. But yeah, man, we got a whole lot more stuff. Plan for the truck. One thing I wanna go over with y'all today. Where they at? Alright. I'm gonna set these out right quick. Alright, so I gotta go get my stand right quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so I have to go get my camera stand. There we go, a whole lot better. Alright, so I ordered for the truck. Speaker part, and these are came from customspeakerpart.com. I got my tweezers in already, and they look real clean, man. Real clean. And y'all see how I soldered the wires, then I went with the heat shrink for like a real clean, professional look, and then heat shrink, keep the wires together. Yeah, so it'll be clean like when I run them like up under my carpet. The only thing I say about these right here was when I first got them, right here, where y'all can see I shaved a little bit off. Yeah, the magnets for these right here, they was a little too big, you know what I'm saying, to get in there. So all I had to do was shave a little piece and then make a little cutout right here for the I guess the terminals or whatever. Yeah, and I didn't have to cut much. You know what I'm saying? They slid right in there pretty good. So, and these are here from, like, for the A-pillars. Now what I'm waiting on now to install them are some, I have some Dynamat. I'm Dynamating the inside. I think like that's to make them, I guess, a little bit more sturdy. And when I put the screws in, I think it'll hold it a little bit better too. So yeah. Like they look like real, like clean as heck. They look like real, like good, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how they look in the truck. They go in the A-pillar, like I said. Did I say it? But if I didn't say it, yeah, they go in the A-pillar. So I got one for one side. And I just wrapped the other one up. The only, you know what I'm saying, I wouldn't really call it a flaw because it's like a simple fix, you know what I'm saying, just making these little alterations, just like trim that a little bit more. And if you got, excuse me, PRV, and I tried my DS18s as well, so I got those, but I didn't get them. But the DS18s and the PRV 3-inch bullet super tweeters, they yeah, I know the magnet's too big to like just slide right in here, so I guess I don't know like if all the other tweeters are like that, but I know for sure the PRVs and DS18 3-inch super tweeters, you gonna have to make us like, bro, not even a whole centimeter, like bro, it's, y'all can see that. I didn't cut too much at all. So I wish I would've, you know what I'm saying, made a video when I first got her, so y'all can see like how much I like it was. And yeah, when I swept the garage, I already cleaned the pieces out, so yeah. So let me go and show you how these things was supposed to look in the truck. When I, you know what I'm saying, go down, do the dynamat, and go down and screw them down. Alright, so y'all, we in the truck. I'm gonna set this camera right quick. Yeah, these are DS18s I was telling you about. The same ones that that's a little bit too big to go on the A-pillar. See, you got your horn here from your factory tweeters. Just, I guess, disconnect these wires. You're gonna take them out. And when you mount them, when you mount the new tweeters, this is how they gonna sit. It's not flush because of the, you know what I'm saying, the wire, but y'all pretty much see like how that's gonna be. And it look real good, man, clean. But I'm when I install these, excuse me, so I got 4 of these, and they going on, I think 1,200. Oh, let me go check that one, cause they ain't right there. Yeah, it's 1200 watt DS18 amp, full channel. Yeah, so we got $1,200 for the tweeters. And my doors right here, the 8 and the 6.5. I got one, well, 8 and 6.5 in each door. And those gonna be on the G3600, another DS18 amp. So it's gonna be 3 DS18 amps. So 2 G3600s. The first G3600 is for my 2 8s and my 2 6.5s, and then my second one is gonna be for my my drivers, my horns that's going in the front. And then I'm going for the sub, I'm going blow through 4th order 18 Sundown X or Sundown ZV5 18. I'm still trying to, you know what I'm saying, figure out which one I'm gonna run. But fourth order, either the ZV5 or the Sundown X 18, probably on a 5 or 6K. So yeah, just it's gonna be pretty crazy, but yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. And I'll show y'all something right quick. With these model trucks, the 07 to the doggone 13. Look at that, man. That's one thing I don't like, but I got the new one coming in. Not right now, but I still gotta order it. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to do all this. And you see, like, well, behind my radio, y'all can't see it, but behind my radio, it's screwed in, but it's some pieces behind it that's cracked, and the doggone, I think 2 of the clips broke off the bezel. So yeah, man, I gotta replace all this, but it's gonna be a process, man. But y'all just make sure y'all stick around, because I want y'all to see how far, you know what I'm saying, this truck go. I got my 7.5 inch rough country lift. That one, I ordered that, yesterday? No, the other day. It was Thursday when I ordered that. And back here in my back doors, the DS18 tweeters are going right here, and then I'm going the same 8 I got in the front right there. I'm putting the same 8 right here. So it's gonna be, total system is gonna be 4 8s, 2 6.5s with 6 super tweeters. I don't know how loud that lawnmower is behind me, but well, yeah, 6 super tweeters. So basically just on and the drivers too. Basically with all those, because I think my tweeter is 250. No, ain't no 250. Cap. Yeah. These tweeters, they 60 watt RMS, so I'll say they 120 RMS. That's what because they be underrating everything, man, like wattage wise. So that'll be 120 times 4. What, at 480? 480 total tweets RMS. And I'll say 250. No, I'm going 6 tweeters, and all of them 120. So 480, 120, 600, 720. 6 times 120. I'll do the calculations. I'll probably put it up on the screen or whatever, but y'all kind of, you know what I'm saying, get that idea of pretty much how loud it's gonna be for, like, you know what I'm saying, some people like put all the drive, like, you had a whole doggone door, like 610s, I mean not 610, well 310s, 2 8s and 4 8s and all that in the door. Like, I think this right here, it'll be like, you know what I'm saying, I'll get the sound I want, sound quality I want with the setup I got now. But you know what I'm saying, like when you in the music, when you get your car like where you think you want it, sometimes, bro, like, well, over time it probably won't be as loud, like, you know what I'm saying, when you first put all the stuff together. But yeah, man, that was a little audio update. And like I said, just make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, watching the videos, hitting that, just new people hitting that subscribe button. Cause I want y'all to see, like, you know what I'm saying, the finished product when I'm done with the truck and stuff. Well, it ain't like with any project, bro, I don't think you'll ever be, you know what I'm saying, done with any project. Cause you're gonna always like, dawg, I can put bigger wheels on it, or dawg, I could, you know what I'm saying, these lights right here look better, or my music can be louder. Yeah, so it's always something you'll be like working on, man. So yeah, and I need a paint job too, cause I think I showed y'all that already, but yeah. I lost my train of thought. Yeah, the paint. But yeah, man, just make sure y'all stick around, cause, excuse me, like I said, I got a lot more to come as far as the truck. So I appreciate y'all for, you know what I'm saying, Real Gang, for coming through, hitting that subscribe button. Appreciate the new supporters and everybody else, you know what I'm saying, keep hitting that subscribe button. Be trying to get to 1K, trying to, you know what I'm saying, get this channel up. So with that being said, man, I'll catch y'all boys in the next video, man. Peace. Oh, wow, I'm using real shit. But yeah, man, I'll catch y'all in the next video, man.